Hi you guys, it's Thespa. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited! My Sophie and Toffee box is finally here. I've been waiting. I've wanted this subscription box for so long, a couple of years, and I have been following them and just really have wanted this and got it for a Christmas present. So I'm going to open the December 2019 Sophie and Toffee Elves box, premium box. It finally came this morning, and I'm going to get this pot started. I'm going to do an unboxing today, and then I will be working with some resin. I do know what's in this box, for the most part. There is maze molds, oh my gosh, look at the sparkle. Look at the sparkle. I'm so happy. Premium. Hey. Sophie and Toffee. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty. It is so cute. The Sophie and Toffee Elves box. This is the premium December blowout box, and there are so many goodies in here. This box is quite heavy. The box is $48.95 and includes shipping. And so we're just going to get into this. This is my first Elves box ever, and I am so excited. So let's just get into this. Oh my gosh, can you just stop a minute and just love the eye candy of all the colors and the shinies and the cute little packing peanuts that everybody's always talking about. And just, that is just a whole box of yum yum. Look at it. Look how cute. Alright, so we've got some super cute little shell. These are some little, I'm sorry for the crinkling of the plastic. These are basically little shells, little colored shells to put into your resin pieces. Lots of it's kind of glittery. This one is kind of a smoky white almost. There's blue. There's kind of a seafoam green almost. This one is kind of a rose color, kind of a rose quartz almost looking. This one's turquoise and this one's bright pink, and those are so cute. They have just a little bit of an iridescent look to them. So those are cool. We got these glitters, which are so fabulous. Look how pretty these glitters are. That's quite a bit of glitter too. I mean, these little pots are so cute with the little dome and everything. But there is kind of like a gold color, a red, a very nice sparkly red, a kind of fuchsia purple color, a dark brown color, kind of a seafoam and turquoise color. It's kind of looking more green on my camera, but it's more of a turquoise. And then this one is kind of, I would call it coral, because it has some red notes and a little bit of orangey notes, kind of peach notes, so it's more of a coral kind of a color. So very pretty. I love those. Those are going to be looking really good in some resin. Let's see here. Those little packing peanuts. Can you just see those in so many things? They're so cute and so brightly colored. Somebody's a genius. Okay, and so here we have the Sophie and Toffee epoxy resin for bigger or thicker size projects. Superb transparency, low odor, little or no bubbles. This is part A. It's a ratio of 3:1, and then this is the part B. So that's going to be cool. I haven't used any resins that are from Sophie and Toffee, so I'm excited to get to try these out. It's going to be so cool. Alright, let's see. What is this one? This is the Sophie and Toffee UV resin for use with silicone molds. It's 60 grams. That is pretty cool. I'm excited to try theirs. I haven't tried any UV light, UV resin except for some that I got off Amazon, so that's going to be awesome to try. Let's see what color I got. Crystal LED UV resin in orange. So that's kind of cool. See, I think there's another one. Ooh, purple. That's awesome. I got kind of Halloween colors, which is kind of cool. Woo, woo, yay, yay. All right, and this is so cool. This is the D20 dice mold, and yeah, that's going to be cool. I'm going to be working on some projects with that. Can't wait to try that out. Oh my goodness, look at the cute glitter. Look how pretty. I believe these are glow-in-the-dark rhinestones, if I'm not mistaken. Look at how cute those are. Oh, they are so cute. Looky, looky, look. Very cute. Okay, and then these look like little sprinkles. They're so pretty. Lots of colors. Little sprinkles to put on your resin projects. So those are pretty cool. That's quite a bit, actually. That'll go a long way. With these super cute little things. These are some like little clear resin balls, I guess, and you can use those to add to your resin. So very cute. Like those. I'm going to play with those a little bit. Let's see. Here we have crystal pigment dye. I believe this is the one that you can, like after you do your resin projects, you can kind of dip it in this to dye your project, or you can add it as a little bit of colorant. And then I got blue, which is awesome because blue is my favorite color. So, yes, I'm excited to work with that and try that out. Oh my gosh, there is so much stuff in these boxes. I'm not even done. Like, look at all that. That's so much. Oh, cool. I got the, this is actually a fish bowl, but a lot of people have been saying jellyfish, and I'm excited to try it because I want to do kind of like a little cauldron kind of a thing, so that's going to be cool. And it looks like I got the camera mold as well, so I'll be trying that out. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. I'm going to have fun with that. There's some, oh, look how cute these are. Oh my gosh. These are so adorable. There's some like little spooky eyes and some cute little happy faces with rosy cheeks. And then we got some cute little rainbow flag type things. And then some little kind of like iPad looking thing, iPhone, whatever you want to call that. Or you could, you know, say it's a Polaroid if you wanted to. So that's kind of cute. That might be kind of cute with that. So, awesome. And there's even some more stuff in here. And oh my gosh, this mix is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's got little teeny tiny bunnies. I don't know if you can see that or not. You can see that teeny tiny bunny right there. But it's got little bunny rabbits. It's got little leaves, some little circles, hearts, dots, diamonds, just regular sequins, just all of the glittery cuteness mix. Look at that. Look how sparkly that is. That is so cool. So yes. And then these are the little BBs that you put inside of your little molds to kind of make your way from one end to the other. So yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, so happy for this box. December Elves Blowout Box. No specific theme, all the newest trending fun stuffs, 2 times more items. Members only. So, I love how they do this, how they pick some, they do like a creative contest where you can make your own items, and then they showcase the ones that did good on that month. And 3 things. So I'm going to have a referral link in the bottom. If you are inspired to order the Sophie and Toffee Elves box, you can go through that link in my description if you would like. That will help me out. And for every 3 boxes that are purchased through my link, I would get a free box. So here are the different molds that you could get. There was like a switch, a milk bottle, a fishbowl, a heart, a mug, a castle, and a camera. So it was just kind of up in the air which ones you were going to get. So that was kind of a fun surprise. And then that. And then those were the different colors, so you could get any of those. They would send out 2 kind of random of those colors for the LED UV resin, colored resin. And then the crushed shells inclusions, the bubble tea pearls, jelly inclusions, mermaid sequins, fairy glitters. Look at all the stuff you get. The glow-in-the-dark rhinestones, the candy sprinkles, polymer clay mix, steel balls, bearings, UV resin, epoxy resin, and the colorant. So that's a lot of stuff in this box. This box is definitely a good, in my opinion, that's a lot of stuff for what I paid. That is just awesome. So I am so excited to get started on these and start playing. So, yes, 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 yes. Okay, so, yeah, I'm really happy, ready to start playing with this resin. I've waited so long to get this, and I am just so excited. So much stuff, so many ideas rolling around in my head that I can do, and yeah, so, woohoo! All right, so. Be looking forward to seeing some resin projects from me from the Sophie and Toffee box. So I am so happy to get started. But for now, I'm going to go bake some cookies with my kiddo. We're doing some gingerbread cookies today. And go ahead and check out the Sophie and Toffee box through the link I have in my description. And if you feel so inclined to purchase there, please use my link so that it will help me out. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have fun.